So, ever wondered what the flowers look like on the lovage plant? Well, there you go. Take a little closer look. And they're getting ready to just start being ready to pick the seeds. Probably about 3 or 4 more days. They've already flowered for the most part. And I'll be harvesting these. Remember now, the lovage plant, this thing's as tall as I am. It's 6 foot at least. And it tastes like a citrus celery. It can be used in your soup stocks and everything else. It's just like celery, and it has a stalk that's pretty big too. If you look at the stalk, see the size of those stalks? I got big fingers, so compare that, my finger's probably a 1/2 inch wide. So you get some pretty good stalks out of them, and they come back year after year. So think about planting some lovage. It survived even a -8 Fahrenheit temperature this winter and came right back up.